So I did a little digging on the 72 Gilson S-15 here, and what we have to do to get it working. And what one fella had some luck with is a little reservoir of oil and a pipe down fitting on top, the same fitting that I used before. I've taken all the valving out, the poppet and the spring, and put it into drive so that we've moved the swash plate in the pump. And by turning the wheels, I'm essentially turning the wheels into the pump, and the pump becomes the motor. And so that way, when I do this, it actually is sucking fuel in. And it's just gotten really stiff. Oh, that's pumping it back, so I think we may actually be onto something here. I'm going to change out that fitting for the poppet valve, and we'll see how it goes. Where did I put my... There it is. Cautiously optimistic about this. Okay. It's gonna get loud, I hope. Well, there's a definite improvement. May have to just repeat that process a couple times, but I think we're on the right road now, finally.